So I just wanted to make a quick user's video on the Unication G5 pager style radio that we're issuing for company officers. This is an option because we're losing the ability to scan on the fire ground. This can be carried by the company officer in his turnout gear, on his radio strap, or if he wants, he can defer to the pump operator. But I really envision the company officers carrying these as opposed to having to carry two portable radios because we're losing the scan function. Side of the radio's got a charging port, but we have these drop-in chargers, so there's really no reason to access that. The ID is scanned here. There's a button here on the side, which basically is a screen display. On the top, there's the antenna, channel selection switch, and on-off switch. The channel selector, if you press it, will also play back the most recent messages. And then there's some buttons on the screen, which I'll briefly go over. When you do turn the unit on, it may take some time to warm up before it starts to receive, so it's not instantaneous. You will see that when it receives, it will display the channel with the ID channel talk group number. There's the time of day, signal strength indicator, and battery strength. The unit that it's assigned to, this is Engine 3's pager, and you can see Engine 2's pagers here in the charger. It just shows what zone, the community that it's listening to, and the current talk group. And then it also tells you the RFSS and site number, which is just trunking information to tell you what system it's scanning. There is an ability to lock the front screen. If you just press the diamond button, it locks the keypad so you can't access it. There's really not much you can do as far as user functionality, but to unlock, just press the keypad again, and then the return button. You can enter the programming here. The message box is just what recorded messages that it has. There's some function status, and then you could set the date and time, which is already preset, and then there's some more information here. There'll be a one-page scan cut sheet in the communications file directory, which will give the user a little bit more of an intimate. This is just a quick brief video. Volume control, if you turn it all the way up, is pretty loud. If you want to just turn it all the way up and then put it on the dispatch talk group, it's perfectly fine. As far as talk groups that are available, it does have talk group announcement. So position number 1 is the fire dispatch channel.
Operations
2 is Bravo, and then it goes all the way up through
Operations Charlie.
all the talk groups.
Operations Delta.
Remember, these are not simplex, these are on the system. So
Operations Echo.
for Bravo or Charlie, the DVR, VRX would have to be operated inside the vehicle.
Operations Frank. Operations Golf.
Trunking talk group priority scan.
When you go all the way to the right to the last channel, position number 8, it will scan all of the Fairfield Fire talk groups. So all the Fairfield Fire talk groups are being scanned, with the exception of this does not have the programming for encryption, so you will not receive Operations Hotel or Public Safety Interop. All right? And you can just go all the way back.
Fire dispatch.
And I just want to briefly show you, if you want to play back a message, you just press down. It will start,
service clear 1472
it will start playing back the most recent messages, and then if you want to pause or just stop and hit the diamond. So if you do miss a message, you can listen to a message. All right. If anybody has any questions, let me know. As far as the charger, it's pretty simplistic. I would recommend charging the unit at night. Pop it in the charger. The chargers will be in the officers' dorms. The only thing you need to know about the charger, it's a little bit of a tight fit. These are not waterproof, but they're weatherproof. When it's in the charger, you're going to have to unclip the battery clip, the belt clip in the back, to remove it from the charger. Right, so just don't yank it out of the charger, and you'll hear it clip in. And it will charge, and it will tell you that it's charging is currently being performed with the battery indicator showing flashing. All right. If anybody has any questions, let me know. Again, they have ID numbers, and there's one assigned to every active unit for a company officer. All right. Thanks again, guys. Bye.